This episode of Permatex Pro Tips is all about proper installation of new brake pads and rotors. We're going to focus on the little things that give the best results, but are often overlooked to achieve quiet performance and long brake pad life. You may be tempted to just slap on some new pads. However, pads and rotors wear in together, and both must be changed concurrently. Also keep in mind that the brake hardware also has a service life. For best results, it's recommended to replace the hardware. In most cases, new brake pads will also come with new hardware. If you are planning to reuse hardware, thoroughly clean all the parts that will be reused. With this in mind, that's exactly where we'll start. Cleaning. Permatex Brake and Parts Cleaner is ideal for the job. There is the very effective standard chlorinated formula. For California compliance, there is also a non-chlorinated option. You can achieve the same results with both options. In addition to the hardware, neglecting to clean the brake slides is one of the most common brake job mistakes. While you have them dismantled, hit the slides with the Permatex Brake and Parts Cleaner and remove any residual grease and grime. Now clean the new brake rotor with Permatex Brake and Parts Cleaner to remove the factory-applied coating that protects them during shipping. Now it's time to do the job. Lubricate caliper pins and pads with brake grease. For a lighter duty vehicle, such as a motorcycle or compact vehicle, Permatex Synthetic Ultra Disc Brake Parts Lubricant has you covered. However, if you have a heavy duty or performance application, use Permatex Silicone Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant. It's specially formulated for extreme conditions like frequent braking, four-wheel drive applications, and towing. Apply a thin, even coat of lubricant to brake caliper hardware and pads. Any excess lubricant that squeezes out should be removed. Lubricate the guide pins for more even pad wear. This is often overlooked. A thin, even coat will do the trick. Another tip is to double check that you're not installing the brake pads backwards. It happens more often than you think. Now, put the brakes back together. Let's touch on the caliper bracket bolts. Some mechanics like to use anti-seize. We recommend the use of Threadlocker for safety. As you may know, blue Threadlocker is easily removed with hand tools, while red Threadlocker is high strength but requires a torch or heat to remove. Permatex High Strength Removable Orange Threadlocker is a great hybrid formula that has 3 times the strength of blue Threadlocker while still being removable without heat. Permatex Orange is ideal for caliper bolts. Check your application service specifications for torquing the caliper bolts. They are not all the same. And remember to be gentle when torquing the caliper guide pins. These bolts only require 25 to 35 foot-pounds of torque. Be sure to try out some of these great tips on your next brake job. For over a century, Permatex has been bringing innovative products to the automotive aftermarket. Made for the professionals, by the professionals. Stay tuned for more Permatex Pro Tips.